All right, let's look at problem number 9 now for our order of operations test. And essentially, I have a fraction again. And with this fraction again, I want to simplify the numerator and the denominator separately. Okay, so let's work on the numerator first. We don't have any parentheses, but I do notice that we have some exponents. Okay, so that's the next highest priority. So we have 5 squared and we have 4 cubed. So let's do those first. 5 squared is 25, so let me write that. And then I'll write minus 7, then times 14, and then plus 4 cubed is 64, okay, and then divided by 2. So what is the next highest priority when we look at this? We have subtraction, we have multiplication, we have addition, and we have division. Well, multiplication and division are a higher priority, and again, they're on the same level, so you work them left to right. So that means I want to do this multiplication first before I do this division, okay? So if I think about this, I can either say this is plus negative 7 like this, or I could do it the other way. I'm going to end up subtracting this away, so it's going to give me the same answer. I prefer to just go plus negative just to deal with the sign now. So negative 7 times 14 is going to give me negative 98. Okay, so let me write this as minus 98 here, okay, like this. And then over here, I have 64 divided by 2, which is going to be 32, okay? So what we have now is just subtraction and addition. You can just work this left to right. 25 minus 98 is going to be negative 73. Okay, so let's write negative 73, and I forgot the 7. And then I'm going to add this to 32, and that's going to give me negative 41. Okay, so that's my simplified numerator. Now, for the denominator, if we think about this, we have grouping symbols. Again, if you have absolute value bars, those are grouping symbols. So those are going to be the highest priority here, just like parentheses. So I want to work inside of here first. So I have 6 minus 9 squared. So inside of here, I have subtraction, and I have an exponent operation. The exponent operation has the highest priority. So 9 squared is done first. That's going to be 81. So let's say we have the absolute value of 6 minus 81. Okay. So 6 minus 81 is negative 75. Okay. And then the absolute value operation is going to make this positive. So at the end of the day, this is going to be positive 75. Okay. So let me write minus 3 times square root of 16 and then plus 19. Okay. So what do we have left? We have a subtraction operation, we have a radical, okay, or a square root, and then a plus. If you have a radical, okay, or a square root or cube root or something like that, that is considered to be on the same level of priority as an exponent operation. Okay, so we would want to do this first. So the square root of 16 is going to be 4. So I'm just going to erase this and put that you have times, okay, times 4. Because this is 3 times the square root of 16. Okay, that's what that's implying. So now I have 3 times 4. So if I have subtraction, multiplication, and addition, I'm going to do my multiplication first. So 3 times 4 is going to be 12. And now I'm just going to work this subtraction and addition left to right. So 75 minus 12 is going to be 63. Okay, so let me put that there. And then 63 plus 19 is going to give me 82. Okay. Now, if I look at this, I have negative 41 over 82. So I know it's negative, right? Negative over positive is negative. What do I think about this? I know that 82 can be factored into 41 times 2. So what I can do is I can cancel this with this. This will be a 1 up here. And basically I have negative 1/2 as my final answer.